그렇지. 그렇게 보이게.
What do you want to do today? I want yes. A what? A ball, a swim, a hat. 2. Sleep. Are you okay? I don't know yet too. I can stop it at you. 7. Oh no. What if I miss it? At you. 어떻게 했을까요? If you tired to sneeze more soppy, sorry. But if pig do make me sneeze, I can't be near you. Then we can't be friends. Then we must be apple bye. But yeah, no, do not say. It is too late. Goodbye. Gerard. 아직 안 했어. 아직 스네이프 안 했어요. 엘레펀트. 스네이프.
아,
왜요?
저걸 안 끄고 있다. 소리 들어갔겠다. 아,
Are you okay, Gerard? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pig made me sick. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Good now, Cat made me sick too. Come. I don't think pig made you sick. I do not think cat made you sick. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Thank you. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, when you. I have a cold. Goodbye, you. 피기랑 엘레펀트는 이렇게 되었습니다. 엘레펀트가 피기 옮길 거예요. 구독, 좋아요.